Good day, I am Rosemay Ann Buhat and I am going to discuss the Entamoeba histolytica. Distribution of Entamoeba histolytica. The pathogenic species E. histolytica is distributed in most Brazilian regions with significant prevalence percentage among animals. Unidentified Entamoeba species were most prevalent in mammals. Habitat of Entamoeba histolytica is an anaerobic parasite that is primarily found in the colon. However, for unknown reasons, it can become invasive, breaching the gut barrier and migrating towards the liver, causing amoebic liver abscesses or the amoebiasis. Pathogenesis of Entamoeba histolytica is an invasive enteric protozoan. An infection typically begins with the ingestion of mature quadrinucleated cysts found in fecally contaminated food or water. Signs and symptoms of Entamoeba histolytica: diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, loose weight, fever, and abdominal pain. Mode of transmission of Entamoeba histolytica: through fecal-oral route. Immunity of Entamoeba histolytica: adaptive immune responses towards E. histolytica invasion include the generation of specific antibiotics. Diagnosis of Entamoeba histolytica: microscopic identification of cysts and trophozoites in the stool is the common method for diagnosing pathogenic Entamoeba species. Treatment for Entamoeba histolytica: histolytica infections need to be treated. Alternatives to metronidazole include tinidazole or nidazole and nitazoxanide. Prevention and control of Entamoeba histolytica: wash hands thoroughly with soap and running water for at least 15 seconds after using a toilet or changing a nappy. Handle soiled diapers carefully. Maintain proper hygiene. Maintain proper washing and cleaning food before use. Entamoeba histolytica ingested red blood cell, nucleus, endosome membrane, and condensed chromatin, pseudopod. Entamoeba histolytica alternates between a large trophozoal motile by means of pseudopods, a smaller motile cycle. Cysts are swallowed and arrive at a small intestine. Alkaline pH and digestive juices stimulate cysts to release 4 trophozoites. Trophozoites attach, multiply, actively move about, and feed. Asymptomatic in 90% of patients, amoeba may secrete enzymes that dissolve tissues and penetrate deeper layers of mucosa, causing dysentery, abdominal pain, fever, diarrhea, and weight loss. Also, Entamoeba histolytica is a life-threatening, may invade liver and lung. Effective drugs are metronidazole. Life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica: Entamoeba histolytica is an enteric protozoan parasite with worldwide distribution. It is responsible for amoebic dysentery amoebiasis, such as liver abscesses, peritonitis, and pleuropulmonary abscess. Other species of Entamoeba: Entamoeba hartmanni, Entamoeba coli, and Entamoeba dispar, do not cause diseases, but their trophozoite is difficult to distinguish of those E. histolytica by light microscopy. Life cycle vary. Most reproduce by simple asexual cell division of the active feeding cell.